Hi, today we are going to learn about adding and subtracting decimals. Decimal is a way to represent how much of a whole is there. Now, how do we add and subtract decimal numbers? Points to remember while adding and subtracting the decimals. Point number 1. Always line up the decimals. Point number 2. Fill in zeros as placeholders at the end, especially if subtracting. Let's try to add 0.32 and 0.62. Step 1. Write the decimal numbers and align them according to the place values. Align the decimal points properly. Step 2. Add the decimal numbers as we do with the whole numbers from right to left. Step 3. Align the decimal points of the total, that is the answer. So we can say that 0.32 when added to 0.62 gives us 0.94. Now let's try to subtract 0.97 and 0.45. Again, step 1 is write the decimal numbers and align them according to the place values. Align the decimal point properly. In subtraction, always write the bigger number at the top. Step 2. Subtract the decimal numbers as we do with the whole numbers from right to left. Step 3. Align the decimal points of the answer. So here, 0.97 take away 0.45 gives us 0.52. Now adding or subtracting decimals with different decimal places. To add and subtract decimals with different decimal places, we can use 0 as a placeholder to make the decimal places the same. Let's take a look at one example. Add 2.37 and 3.2. Since 2.37 has two decimal places, but 3.2 has only one decimal place, then we can write 3.2 as 3.20, as 0 at the end of the decimal number does not make any difference to the number. Now let's add 2.37 and 3.20. So, therefore, the answer here would be 5.57. Let's try a question. Jessica had £3.45. She saved £2.14 more. How much money does she have altogether? Add the decimal numbers as we do with the whole numbers from right to left. Align the decimal point of the total, that is the answer. So 3.45 when added to 2.14 gives us 5.59. So now we can say that she has £5.59.